from their body now depression. No time. No, I'm a better way. Yes, for 1 month. Or you get happiness for 2 months. Error. Every time. If you don't have content to create to your people, you make it nagi. And they send where you relax. Because why? Ugbe no dinner. Uga ti chest eh. Gweno no kwoni. No ma o ni vie do amogoko. But all what you know. Wa wale loss we gbina. Oh, wa kale le kolisi we gbina. Omo na isi we mu. Egbo ma ise we mu. Uhu pa. Ula wagbon. Or ula we do egbe. You go blackmail a doson or a dog woman. Who knows say well yes. Here even we think. Or even you don't have a live video. Oh, because of where wrong Huawei. But if you say no, we reason, waiting cause your depression or waiting cause your likes. Or what does you fail you? Or you don't have a partner who can tell you how business is so that you can mind your business. Now to the cause problem every second, every minute. So who are in a gang? I will start from you, Rita. Message to you, even though I didn't write your name, I am not care. Rita, I am here. Gumeku webmo. Here where umodowa. Betty me what do error? Based on the reality, do you say que many things soon, and I'm here no buma via who can also get but do you book Rita? You want to make sure say where who run top of the world. You are controlling demand, you want to control media. But each sort of way accusing innocent people. Not even at all. You have been doing it for over a decade now. We are like media. But we take it when maybe or maybe you may be on but or better be careful ne. I don't mean where I know you're being who believe their struggle, who believe their hustling. Who believe say I can't bring my brother or my sister down to make it. They believe say their sweat, their belief, and their faith to God. Now those kind of people now fair go the attack. So that many people can cause traffic for our platform. Rita, they don't know your home over Zimbabwe or your way to a kidney. Remember, say you have a family. On the can one so say the back way. And social media say we're not so. Because why? You have been doing it to make sure say where Lolo money carry back for 12 years or 10 years. But only 1 year or a month. You want to fight that lady. You doesn't want to fight her with truth. If you don't work bono susekiano ya gwaleveni ya make life ya no ma send you where. Suddenly we have a coincident party. If you want to Saga Lolo with truth. If you want to Saga Lolo, come out for waiting, you know say well yes you can prove it. And who got tiny who ya gwalo bono and we go get and who got tiny who tiny business say you marry Kokobiri dia ya gbera wa Rita on the kenwa we say the gbera so they not going to bear with you. You will suffer for it. Share this video to Rita Ibizugbe send the again. I'm not afraid of her. Since I'm respecting me, on the kenwa say everybody will go the same message to your husband. Because this is not how social media is before. Since you come, a lot of things have changed. No forgivenesses. If your people is doing well, you can't support. All what you have to do is to gang up. And if I look the people you are ganging up with, no bu my home or double way, no bu my boyfriend, no bu my there's a ear gwale or door. But you are trying to dismiss and destabilize their character to the old world where they are. But you know, based on me, they believe say you can carry them move alone. No, let you make they round on you to make sure say where anybody who will move back without a presenter there with you. Rita, we won't take it. Okay? All what I want to know. I want you to come out and apologize to Maleke. Well, yes. You and your friend, na Saga way una they do for media, una take the cash form. You not go to that extent. I want you to apologize to Maleke. Rita, Monica and Lolo started this journey when you go before. Shame at the grace. Now they take close that way. And I mean where it is hard now before they invite any presenter to any events. May you use a mistake or a luck to attend any event. No, well, yes, you are a presenter. Maleke no arrive based off say where who just do when I'm if you know who present. Oh yeah, but you are coming out from that crowd, from that family, from that respect in area where not to blackmail them. You won't even blackmail a man where the bomb here with Maleke. I'll be watching you, watching your characters. Make sure it is like that. I think say maybe all those kind of una saga. But Rita, don't create a minuka timu because of say you marry Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe man in Africa. You never even go to Zimbabwe. Me, I don't stay Zimbabwe. I believe you never step Zimbabwe. Don't think if you catch that man, the way where you try to catch so many Nigerians or many Igbo men where you born from, we not accept you. Don't think say if you capture that man, you go catch some media. We will not accept you. We will not allow you to. Your family will suffer for it more. Because we are your boy and your son. Your family will suffer for it. You understand? I have your boy and your son. You can't be doing something where yes, we are in Nigeria. You are not doing things like Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe number one is Africa. Number one, we may learn money. If you don't know where we're more about, many don't go to Zimbabwe and invest and do many things. Oh, because of say you marry, come out from there. Before you reach that Zimbabwe hand, have you not go to Edoma hand? Have you not go to Nigeria hand? Canada will not go stay here. Stop all those your nonsense when you get out. When you enter house. If not, what will do this saga? Then we're more. If you say you're not ashamed, what did they worry yourself? Every time, Rita, for this period, a lot of them, Monica, you are Mudia. Worry what those Zod, the Mudia, carry on. Oh, because I said, I want to create it for full everywhere. They don't say, we will not fight with ourselves. They don't say, we will not fight with ourselves. But the innocent son, we are here, they build a character day and night. They never sleep. And they now build a character. When Maleke, they built a reputation, when they build his career, Rita, either you did Morocco route deportation, or you did Italy, they hustle, or you did Libya, or you did Greece, they hustle. But if you say you want to do all those kind of things, you go fit do it because where there is a lot of men, Timaya River, no, you say also. But in make sure say build the reputation. Well, yes, anywhere in the line, you have a good name. Rita, stop all those your nonsense. Stop all those your nonsense. Okay? I don't like this. They man a boon of who or you want to take a mozuo, take a titi where Eric Bayaji. Not so. Area. Please stop all those your nonsense. Take Maleke out of this una so-called friendship of 1 month, and the next month na Saga una take involve yourself. If you want even fight yourself, make una fight yourself with truth. If not, those people when I call they put where they say their hair go one una. That is why many of una go say what una they prepare. No wa boy to no wa hear it. Wa hear it wa man. Una no go hear it. Forget. If you think say after you scatter your life, your papa day, your mama day, they're not the fit talk to you. Forget your children go talk to you. That is why I tell Monica the other day say, well, if you think say you can be doing, if you know how we get it, wa go regbe suena, e beje boy the club no yokana ya adegboto. Ebo ka ya bulo we regani. Ebo ka ya bulo we. Not be black again. Make you not say, well, yes, a bully even on effect here. Rita. A video now, I have never insult you. Not maybe I'm afraid of you. You know me. Because why? For this social media, I can't wear neck and I wear say. But I do that one because of say where I think say where Okpave Masokpabu Waniku, but our viewer could be we never care. Or you malawa, we pack our way. Understand? Because where if you know Latia Munue, Latia Munoko ni Mary Yowa, as Oviedo. I want your pardon. I have a respect for my culture. Understand? So since we were him a respect, because also you marry Kokobiri, oh, you are a dope brother. Who call you where they don't care whether you marry Kokobiri. They make sure say they do your husband as one of their body. But suddenly, coming out on social media, blackmailing Maleke, how because of say you want to gain followers, how because of say you want to gain traffic, how because of say you want people, make people watch you. Not all presenter can wait for that your next. Somebody like Ibizugbe, you know, this is my feed. That is why I use this page. Number one, the voice of justice. Understand? If you say okay, you don't want to listen, you know how to insult. Rita will kick the jackpots. Because why? Those kind of black men, all that, when me beg and have a charlatans where they are trying to follow you. But remember, many of those charlatans, no one get husband. No one even get issue. They have a future to plan. If you think say you are planning a future, you want to destroy their future. That is for you, and that is for them. But leave my dope people alone. When we not say yes, they are innocent people. Take Maleke out of your mouth. Those who have fake picture, one on the stand for a different corner. Take it away. Because why? You think you are building your career. You are building influencer. You are building your page. And you want your page to have traffic. Have it in mind. Say, Maleke have used the same things to build himself. Without where Amayoko no more buy a building. If you think well, yes, or video, do your thing. Fight your colleagues the way you want to fight him, to fight her. Do what you want to your colleagues. Don't even though if you say your colleagues only she or her own children, husband or rich, cross to our family. You know our family issue. But don't try to put innocent who knows say he have been building his career just the way where you say you build your career for social media. You be Odunga. Maleke have been building his career without call Odunga. He called the ancestors, he called the government who create him to give him his own vision. He have been getting his own vision clear. So he will wear vision any a canario working and invite you what say where as they invite you on a play enter the game. It's sweet enough. If you get anything bad belly for the association, just go for the association. Understand? If you say now Maleke you want to go for, we your colleagues, I go fight you. We'll fight your family. Account if social media do also we Ibizugbe we and the family work now. That is for you. We will fight you, we will fight your family. A 20 who will believe in all a court in it, you go see handcuff for their hands. A police in one not the belly and we will see that police. This government way this way, not the government of God Baseke. This is the government that will fight corruption at the court and etc. Even when already diaspora, let the commissioner of art and culture diaspora affair resume office. He have a lot of job to do. Especially when we say papa stop for human traffic. Una run on social media. Without therapy where una say una be. Now una friend match relationship. Ya go olosonia. Una say una be therapy. Una come back una sister wey come for ashawo. Make the enter husband house. Oloso wan enter husband house now. Una not gree because why? Una say do want to you. Do me I do you. God on the verse. God the verse so. God the verse. Do me I do you. God the verse. Obeke no ayi do west be. Now God will confess. That is for you to know say when you are the one fighting for yourself, not that God you they call. Rita, please. I love you as a sister. I don't want this issue to murder this. If you are saggering your friends, tell your followers, tell your social charlatans who to say they will join you along the conflicts. They will have future, or they will build yourself, or they will have husband. Tell them say Maleke is innocent among of the game. Please, don't come and be doing waiting Monica do. And I'm here accusing, on accusing. Where don't lie Satan there. You want start for the same accusation. When you know that you can prove. Because of saying you marry Kokobiri according to your speech, according to your words. Rita, I beg you in the name of God. Give peace to your family. Give peace to your children. Respect that man as my wife. They respect me. No matter whatever you say you is. If you say you want to be like Monica, do it. But before social media wise up, now Monica start her own. But you see where it can reach. Now advice we they give her. Because why? I don't wear a pregnant woman no eri an biewaso. They know ori morukpiwe ori rep in case the consult of pregnancy na so. Monica don't know now. They say well yes ovien or etila ekeni my expect. I believe wetin ye cooking here. Now therefore she to understand now where if he ekeni eri lalania eri do space. But if she try continue where this is what she know or affect over here. Because why? Oh yeah, by a footballer. Then be really or affect what we call bullying. But if she said she want to continue whatever she's doing on social media without accusing the innocent people or whatever she's doing before without limiting it, we are better with both here. Media do it. People where you think say they know they watch you that time. When we say many things they happen for that Peking body, they will ask. Eti know well. Or money yakata lo ema we feed. Or money yakata lo ema we camp. Or money yakata lo ema we training feed just to bring his spirit down. Now making a mere woolly no Johnny. No man making a devil. If you know what we call bully, it can now affect him. Monica, oh we no where if I know Jena. Bully, they affect for inside football, music industry, artists, and etc. Hey, can of you where you know say now we are bully they affect. If you don't get stress, you can't perform. Wait till they take stress now bully. But if you think say you can be your soul therapy indoor, where yes neze nagota e boni wa no we in love or see or no we in love. If they begin using catapultation, you know say we're bullying a bully. Well, yes, or a tiagbomo a reputation. That is where many people they fear media for. Now, it's a message. I read it. One of one everyone say video. You know, imagine or you make with basketball. That is why you see me for social media. I've never bring children to insult. I've never bring family where yes, Evian, Mamiano, but Emma where them. Maybe I must work one no there. I be now. We my insult be a card. When no where even or my vineyard dear media do I insult me. Or Tiobo Cane, no way better than paste the picture. Or my view I did do I insult it. It may be the Eladia. It might be the Eladia. All of them know say we're Ibizugbe when they talk about children. So why am I saying this? Everything have your season. Monica's season have come for you to reap what you have sown. If she continue ask for that all those things what you have sown, it will affect what is prepared to reap. That one I saw, and all of them know. And you want to read those about space of Rita. And you want to cut Rita a club or real cardi or koto. And Benona Ladia, they will begin using Bolan so that they will take that jersey from her. It's a message to Ato Ari and his so-called husband. Now let's go to Monica. Please, I want to beg you, Monica. Sorry. Rita, please apologize to Maleke. Take Maleke away from Saga where you and Lolo they do as friends. Please let him be like that. You understand? I beg you. If you try to say, well, yes, in Ibizugbe, traffic, I will use you make a traffic. You know me. That is how I do. I will use you and your family, get that traffic. It's not a threatening. Just waiting you people who say when I get big platform, they always put for mind. Whatever, I don't 12 I don't 10 whatever. But when I bring words to this issue, no, ya blackmail over here, donor, people will pack, they will come list. But I don't want it to go to that extent. Because I can't win it. We don't fair do one. We don't fair do one. And I give you apology. Let us say we do it through Monica issue. J-boy, the same J-boy, ni give a professor any Monica. But I don't want it to repeat itself when I will come for the real speaking for the voiceless who knows how to speak, or who don't have that voice to speak, or who don't want to stand before you. But you have people who will do that. That is our position. We represent the voiceless who not go fit challenge you. Now I will give you a point. Because why? Many things you have been doing for this social media, no yare nane. Have you born a bush of wawene? You are going to if you think say, well, yes, when it happened to you, media can cover it. In justice. Go and check what happened to that man who tried to betray the Saudi king. Tomorrow to next tomorrow, there is no justice. Especially when you are blackmailing, disformation of character. Justice can meet you in anywhere. Rita, I not say make you not do saga with your fellow sister. I not say make you not saga your fellow people who saga you. Even people that come for you, come for them. Because why? Many of them believe say now they fight for themselves. That is why we feel they live. But we believe say now God they fight for us. Go see the plan where Atiti and Mama Joy plan against my head. I not fight the rich like that. But you see the way God they expose them. They bring the grace. So they Atiti we are more dove la ya more la where ye jonya na ya. Before they gather together, all because of say, may they not pull life for obey your heads. They gather, they begin to pull life for my enemy heads. So they Oyubo Gyobonorebo Veno Jessica no Mekolo, how it me by Atiti no jebwe. To make sure say they blackmail my enemy. That's all what we know. And don't wear no bewuge, and how we egg. Now way they watch us. Now they see say who they well, who not they well. But all what I know, this message belongs to our Edo sisters, our Edo women who represent on media. You can come for me, Saga me, I'm your colleagues. You can do anything for my family. You don't fair do them. No problem. But innocent people not build their behind without EMI black money, without EMI exots, without EMI set of gangin or gangin ya black. That is a build their behind. Well, at time, Mona see they get fear of God. Mona see they get fear of ancestors. Mona see no so just justice can come to you in your front of door. So Rita, I don't want this video to long. When aware, please make sure say this matter is a serious matter this time around. I think when Oro was here, Okonuma me. Where yes, here will be not but obviously say where you want to blackmail, you will run to media. You will be saying what you don't know. I watched from Vito, wait from Vito to talk about Prabo gist another story. A story in the Katane. No, you make you go there and be one and we go there. And you will be doing reverse. On your own, where you carry what are you reversing? You reverse I was so ashamed of myself where it be nothing more. All because of say I want to get traffic. I was so ashamed of myself. But I thank God for one thing where yes, and I mean now say for things now where Agbera there we giagu. But all what I know for this matter, ni worry, I come for you Rita. Because issue of this Maleke Waonoya spread. Those picture, those small whatever they are cutting on social media. So the Maleke have come to debunk for issue. It talk like Ibizugbe because we use parable to deliver our message. If you don't want to understand, you will wait for the physical direct message. Now also, now they speak loud out the message where you will receive that time. But he will speak by parable. But all what I know, a man run away until you will be well. If you believe so, well, yes, you can do it, you will go free. No, people will do it with you. No, no, Ryan. Please share this video to Rita and his people. No, not from me. Please, I want to beg you, those GBC gang, if you think what Rita is doing all because of where Ian Lolo misunderstanding, now she want to push it to Maleke and to etc. We will not take it with two people. You understand? We will not take it with two people because many of them, I believe you were